name is Trisha. We are in Ireland and we will visit 3 Spaniards who live here. Let's go!
Hello, I'm Pablo. I'm 20 years old. We are at the Sports Center. The national sport is the hockey. It's similar to hockey but more aggressive. They play Gaelic football too. It's a combination of football and rugby. Rugby is popular there too. If you live in Dublin, you have to support or play Dublin. I'm going to play Gaelic. Goodbye.
To you right now.
Hi, I'm Lorena and I'm 20 years old. The Trinity College is very important in Ireland. There are many legends there. One of them says that if you cross the mathematical bridge, you will fail your exams. In this college studied Oscar Wilde. He's an important English writer.
Hi, my name is Andrea and I'm from Spain, but I'm living in Ireland. I'm 20 years old and I'm going to show you my farm. Let's go!
I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. Hey, you made me insecure. Told me I wasn't good enough, but who are you to judge? When you're a diamond in the rough, I'm sure you got some things you'd like to change about yourself, but when it comes to me, I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. Na 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 na.
Irish potato is very popular. People condemn potatoes to simmer and they eat them with a lot of sauce like ketchup or barbecue. People eat fresh meat and fish too. They are next to the sea, but they eat fresh fish. In 1845 there was a terrible potato plague which killed a lot of people, greater part of Ireland. There are a lot of animals like cows, horses and sheep, and they use their milk.
See, I'll leave with every piece of.
Gallon, 2 years old, and he's very big. I like ride horse every day in the morning because it's very beautiful.
I know.
Lately, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be.
We are looking clovers. They believe that 4-leaf clover spells good luck. If you found one of them, you will have good luck forever. Irish people think that leprechauns live in cities. Leprechauns are real. They've got hidden pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. They have the magical power to grant 3 wishes.
Swing my heart across the line, in my face is flashing.
The Guinness beer is very popular in Ireland. People used to drink beer every time. The Guinness bar are everywhere. People who visit Ireland visit these bars too. The National Day of Ireland is the St. Patrick's Day, who people wear green clothes and drink a lot of beer. It's celebrated the 17th of March.
Feel something so wrong. We're doing the right thing.
I'm in the church. The Irish people is very Catholic. Irish dance is very popular on parties and they do competitions. The harp is the emblem of Ireland and it appears on Irish money. Ireland is surrounded by castles. People live on the east of the island.
Well, you only need the light.
This is the statue of Molly Malone. It's an Irish emblem. It's situated on a very simple place, on Grafton Street. It's the name of a very popular song. This statue was built in 1988. An Irish legend says that if you touch her teeth, you will have good luck. This statue is next to the Trinity College, very important in Ireland.
Irish people speak 2 languages, Gaelic and English. Just the old people often speak Gaelic. But now at school, young people learn the language too. they have a problem. In the Northern Ireland, some people want to be Irish, but they are British. Their religion is Anglican. If you want to buy any present, there are a lot of carols and pennies where you can buy clothes and a lot of souvenirs. It's a good place where you can learn English.
Let's go. Ara dis-lo altre, dona igual, jo ho tallaré.
Pinta.
Així no jo no faré.
Ya.
Com fer un trèvol improvisat. Lorena sonándose los mocos. ¡Mira un pato! ¡Bebé! ¿Qué nos has dicho, perdona? ¡Acción! No te rías otra vez.
We all so turned up here, getting turned up, yeah, yeah, yeah. So la da di da di, when we like to party, dance up on my legs, doing whatever we want.
Hola, perro.
This is our
Sí.
I can see it's for you on the night. Can you see it's for you about that night? We can't stop.
Wow. Wow. Vale.
Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can shine as bright as you, I swear it's true.